In this video, I will show you how to add your location on Instagram so people can easily see it. Let's get started by open up your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on Edit Profile and then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Then tap Continue for all of these after that. Select any category that you like. I'm just going to pick something random and then tap on Done. And from these two options, tap on Business, tap Next tab, skip and exit out of this once you have converted your personal account to a professional account. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down a little bit and tap on Contact Options. As you can see, there is an option to add your business address. So tap on it and then type in your street address, town, or city, and then the postal code. Once you've filled those things out, tap on this check mark at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes, and then tap on where it says Display Contact Info, or else the location won't be displayed on your profile after that. Tap on the check marks again to exit this, and over here in your bio section, you can see the location details that you just added. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.